Welcome to PE. Today is Fun Fitness Friday and we have a fantastic day planned for you. I cannot wait for us to get started. Mr. V will be here with us and I have a special guest that's joining us later today. So put your shoes on and let's go get fit. We are here, introduction to PE. We are going to do Fortune Fitness. You can do this at home. All you need is a bag, some exercises and stretches, and you and your family can do this in your living room. Mr. V is going to do this, and what he's going to do, he's going to stick his hand inside the bag, and whatever exercise or stretch he pulls out, he will read it, and you at home will join us. Mr. V, I'm so excited. What does it say? What does it say?
Burpee.
Burpees. First exercise that he pulls out of the bag, burpees. We are doing the burpees without the push-up. So we will go out to plank position, go back up, jump up high. Go back down, plank position, jump up high. You're going to do this 10 times. Make sure everything in your living room is put away so you don't hurt yourself. Looking great, Mr. V. I love it. Now for modifications, you go up to your toes like a slight squat. Go down to a push-up on your knees and come up, push up to your toes. That's your modification. Great job. I love it. Those are your burpees. Wow, those are amazing burpees. I love them. Now for our second activity, drum roll, and let's get an exercise.
Jumping jacks.
Woo, that's one of my favorites, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. We're gonna do 10 of these. As Mr. V does his jumping jacks, notice how his hands touch over his head, his feet come close together, hands to his side, and it is smooth and efficient. Ah, I love it. Looking good, Mr. V. Modifications. Feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to do little mini squats as your hands go over your head. Just as if you're at a concert and your favorite band is on the stage. There you go. Woo! I love it. Great job, Mr. V. Beautiful jumping jacks. I love it. Now our final activity today in Fortune Fitness. Here it comes, drum roll. Yes, what is it? What is it?
Rocket jump.
Woo! That's one of my favorites. Rocket jumps. Rocket jump. Rocket jumps. Here we go. Rocket jumps. As Mr. V does his rocket jumps, he will start in the frog hop position. Notice that his head and his chest are up, his fingers are touching the ground. Then he will spring up and touch the ground again, spring up, touch the ground again. We will do this 10 times. Nice workout. Keep the head and chest up. Modifications. Modifications, feet are shoulder width apart. Go to a squat and go to your toes. And you're gonna do 10 of those. Make sure your head and your chest are up. Do not put your head down. Great job, Mr. V. We are now into the fitness part of PE and we are playing Uno Fitness. Yes, we are using Uno cards, and here's how it is going to work. I will pull a card for you, or Mr. V will pull a card for you. If we pull a skip card, you will skip in place for 1 minute. If we pull a reverse card, you will jog in place for 1 minute. If we do a draw two, you will draw 2 cards, and if it has a number, that it tells you how many reps you have to do. And if it's green, you would do ski jumps. If it's yellow, you would do mountain climbers. If it's blue, you would do sit-ups. If it's red, you would do push-ups. So get ready to have fun. Uno Fitness. Uno Fitness. Are you ready, Mr. V? He is ready. So he's going to pull a card. He's actually going to do the activities. And as Mr. V does the activities, you will do the activities as well. Okay, here we go. Skip. In place for 1 minute. And go.
You're welcome.
Nice arms, nice feet, nice knee drive. He's relaxed. His body is in control. I love it. You're gonna do this for 1 minute and freeze. Okay? Pull another card. Another skip card. Okay, ready? And 1 minute skipping. Let's skip, 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 and freeze. Reverse. So he would jog in place for 1 minute. 1 minute. Ready? And let's jog in place. Let's jog in place. Let's jog in place. Let's jog in place. Jog in place. Jog in place and freeze. Mr. V, boy, I like the way you pull in the cards. Skip for 1 minute. Ready, and skip, 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 and freeze. Woo! I feel that and I didn't even do it. Here we go. Nine ski jumps. Here we go, Mr. V. Ready and go. Oh, nice. Notice how his feet are together. You don't necessarily have to go as high as Mr. V. He's just super strong. You can go do it again, Mr. V. Side to side. Nice. I love it. And freeze. Last one. Reverse. Jog in place for 1 minute. Ready and go. And jog in place. And jog in place. And jog in place. And jog in place. And jog and jog. And jog and jog and jog. And freeze. Great job. Now you can get Uno cards at any of your stores, okay? And you can play it, you and your family, the traditional way, or you could do it the Uno Fitness way. I prefer the Uno Fitness way. We are into the lesson part of PE, and our lesson focus today is coordination. Coordination is moving different body parts smoothly and efficiently together. And there are a lot of parts of life where you use coordination. Brushing your hair, brushing your teeth, walking, because there are different body parts working together. And so today, me and Mr. V, we have a lot of good drills that help to improve your coordination. And you know what? It's fun as well. Okay, hand-eye coordination is what we are working on right now. And we're gonna throw in a little bit of balance. So you may need your brother, your sister, your grandparents, or your parent, someone to toss a tennis ball or any type of ball to you. And so here's how it's going to look. Mr. V is going to stand on one leg, and his hands and his eyes are going to work together to catch this tennis ball. We're going to do 5 times with the right hand and 5 times with the left hand. Looking great. Notice how I'm going high, low. We're hitting all of the windows. Now we're going to switch legs. Okay, we hit all the windows. Right, left, up high, down low, right hand, left hand, right in front of your face, right down by your shins. And that helps with your hand-eye coordination and your balance all of it at the same time. Look at that coordination, people! Hands and eyes. Now we are going to work on foot and eye coordination, kicking the ball. Okay, you can do this at home, in your front yard, driveway, but not inside the house. Do not do this inside the house. Here we go. I got it! I got it! This is the tennis ball juggle drill. You are going to be working on hand-eye coordination, speed, agility, reaction, quickness, everything at once. You can make it easy or as challenging as you like. Make it as easy or as challenging as you like. I love this drill. It's so fun. I could spend hours doing this drill. Great job, Mr. V. Don't hurt yourself. We are into the game portion of PE today, Fitness Friday, Fun Fitness Friday. The game is called Frogger. You will start from the frog position, frog hop position, and on the teacher signal, which is go for me today, you're going to pick up one cone at a time. You can go against your brother or your sister or anyone in your family, and you could randomly put down objects from home. Okay, so you don't have to use cones. You can use a lot of different things, socks or whatever you have at home. And then you're going to do that for 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds are up, whoever has the most objects is the winner. Okay? Even though everybody's a winner in my heart. And go, go, pick up those cones. You guys are looking amazing. Good job. Woo! There we go. 15 seconds. Oh wow, they got all of the cones in 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a tie. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you guys for joining us here for Fun Friday Fitness. We have had an awesome time here today. We've done Uno Fitness, we've done coordination, we've done the Frogger game, and I would like to thank Mr. V and Mr. CJ for helping us to have a fantastic time today. And join us again. Have a good weekend.